your boy Young 6, aka Mr. 101. We back in the building with the Sound Palace in I.A.R. You know how I do it, it's always big.
Young 6! I'm stepping in the bar, I made it stop in the east. So it's all 4 minutes just to prove I'm a beast. To prove ain't nobody doing just like me. That's not like me. It ain't no lie, no it ain't no lie. You know I can try, but you will never be this damn fly. And as long as I'm living on gas, can't never this day for whatever this worth. This big money talking, you can press that. I fly highway out, there ain't no energy. So when I look out the window, I don't see you haters. I see paper, signs of the dollar, pop my collar. In the West Coast, in the black tower. In the West Coast, in the hot thunder. Young 6, Mr. 101, house.
Back in the building like I'm always is, and niggas is getting ready for it, we taking over. The Mr. 101 mixtape is out. Go cop that. Shit is like crack in the streets. I sold out the first week, 5,000 copies. Holla at your boy. We're doing it independent, we big. Shout outs to everybody that's working with me right now. I got my boy Cornflex in the building, doing all the MySpace promotion, all the graphics. My dude Moji, Real Talk is in the building too. You hear him in the back, he's playing the good shit. So I.A.R is official movement. Busy on the mic. If you don't know, you're about to see what's going down. I got major collaborations coming up. Killer Notes, C Money, my dudes in London, Focus. I'm telling you, the boy's crazy with it. It's about to get busy. I.A.R.
It's Young 6, Mr. Crack for hire. Well, I guess you could call me a crack supplier. I got this show shit, doing crap show shit. Straight from Colombia, play that show shit. Now take the whip for that. Take a sip for that. Yeah, he'll be right back. Back like a boomerang. Yeah, when the boomerang. No shit, it'll sound like a shit range. I ain't a killer though, I just got a gorilla flow. Better knock you on your ass like you on some killer flow. I can't show you how to flip that clip, but I can tell you how to rip this shirt. The players with you now.
Shout out to my dude DJ Illwell and DJ Rampage. The best left of Vegas is in the works. I'm gonna show y'all that next week. Get in the studio, put 15 tracks down back to back, all day recording, so you know what it is. Subliminal shots, nothing direct, you know, just let niggas know I am the man and I run the West Coast. Funk Taylor, no. Game, no. It's Young 6 in the building, Mr. 101. Upcoming projects, let me see, I got 3 video clips about to work on, directed by Anthem for I.A.R Films, you know how we do it. I got the DVD trailer for the new mixtape I'm about to do, man. The moves is major. Fuck with your boy, I.A.R. Get with the squad. Holla.
Notice what I want, he don't wanna touch it. Tell me can I rub it? Can I grab it? Can I smack it? Touch it, caress it. Clues it, caress it. Doing that booty, baby, do you get the message? The ass that we took, I can't help but to look. The way you shake it, the habit, it's on the hook. Check that ass go, bounce that ass go. Turn it around, drop it down, down to the floor. Let me see you shake it, shorty. Let me see you shake it, shorty. Yeah, bounce that ass go, shake that ass go. Turn around, drop it down, down to the floor.
You know what it was? The boy's hot, out here crazy. You seen the crowd, you seen the performance. I got him on the motherfucking heels. The boys is suspense, entertainment, everything you can think of. I do it all. Young 6, Mr. 101. Stay tuned for more action.